Thank you for clicking on this video, and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Thank you for all y'all who keep coming back, and welcome to all you new ones. As you can see, I'm coming back with another recipe, and this one's another super easy recipe, and this is great for picky eaters. This is going to just be my turkey and cheese melt, or my basically turkey and cheese melt. Super easy. If you like this recipe, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, you're just going to need you a baking pan, any size. You can even use a cooking sheet. This is just what I had available at the time. And then you're going to need you some Hawaiian rolls or any type of dinner rolls that you like. I prefer the Hawaiian roll because they just taste so yummy. Then you're going to cut them suckers in half just like I'm doing so, and then place them in your pan. Look at that, super easy. And now it's time to place your cheese. I'm using American because that is my favorite. That's my favorite and my kids' favorite. But you can use provolone, Monterey Jack. I mean, literally the list is endless of type of cheeses you can use. So then now I'm just gonna put my turkey on top, or I'm using smoked turkey, but you can use whatever turkey you like or lunch meat that you want to use. Then once I have it to my liking, I put my bread back on top, and then on the side I have some butter melted with a little bit of onion powder and some parsley, just some different spices. Make sure you don't use garlic because it will burn your bread. And then here is my results. I'll put them in the oven for a good maybe 5 to 10 minutes, just enough for it to get nice and brown and the cheese melt. This is super yummy, delicious little sandwich that I love to make my kids for lunch. Definitely let me know if you tried this recipe before. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all for coming back. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.